Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can quickly and easily permanently delete an application on your iPhone. Friends, be sure to put your likes under this video. Also, do not forget to write your comments after watching and please subscribe to our channel. So, let us get down to our topic, and now I will tell you everything in detail. I will show you a few methods how you can delete the application itself, as well as what can interfere with this. If you want to delete some applications that you do not use and they take up a lot of space, maybe they're distracting you, then in order to do that, you'll need to find the app that you don't want to use. And then tap on it and hold it down, and then select Uninstall App. And confirm your action. As you can see, such an app will be instantly removed from the working screen of your iPhone, which will tell you that the app is deleted. Another method where you can find all your apps to view and delete them. To do this, you will need to open Settings, then General and iPhone Memory. Scroll down a little bit, and this way you will see the entire list of apps, as well as games that you have on your iPhone. If you want to delete any of them, you will have to go to that app and then click Uninstall it. And just as confirming your action, the app will be deleted. If for some reason you can't find an app to uninstall or you can't uninstall it, then I'll show you how you can solve this problem. First of all, scroll down and select Screen Time. Next, scroll down some more and click on this option here. Now here, when you have permissions enabled, you can open iTunes and App Store. Then uninstall apps. If you have the Never option enabled here, that is, don't delete the app, then unfortunately when this option is enabled you will not be able to delete the app on your iPhone. You will have to switch this option to Always and go back. After that, after a minute or two, try to delete the app. Another method is to go back by allowing content and privacy. Select the second option, and here you will see the app that is on your iPhone work page. If any apps are hidden, then they will be disabled and you won't be able to find them on your iPhone. You will need to activate them. Then after a minute you can go through your iPhone work page and find that app and delete it successfully. This is the way you can easily and quickly remove the app permanently on any iPhone. I hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please don't forget to put likes, please friends, and also subscribe to the channel. See you soon.